3, 2, 1.
I'll go for that we'll hunt it?
Sure.
Here?
He's out in the open. Get him.
On it.
God damn it. I thought you were gonna crush him with the helicopter.
Looks like you're fucked.
Bitch. Stay here.
Hail to the king, baby.
Beautiful!
Come at this way.
Yeah, watch out for the vehicle. Coming.
I got it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up. There we go. Oh, shit.
Finish him. The fatality.
I don't even know what happened.
Let me weaken him. I got C4 on here. You just gotta nudge it right up to him. I'm reloading!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Shoot at him?
No.
Okay.
It's a long way to the safe zone. We need to move.
Gas mask.
If you go to put the gas mask, remember to push your heartbeat to the
Yep,
ground.
I just did it.
Less than 10 to go.
Damn it. Wow.
Double kill.
Not bad. There's another one.
Oh, Jen's still alive? Damn.
Get to the chopper!
There you go.
Yeah!
You didn't even like aim. You just shot.
I did.
Oh my god, bro!
Wow.
Last game that
I think we're close, I sent him a video of this guy, the same guy, being like, he's like, he's got his shirt off, and he's like, "Where's my liquor? I just want my liquor." He's like drunk as fuck, dude. Oh man, one of the funniest things I ever did.
Hopefully Jamil makes it back before all hell breaks loose.
I'm here!
I'm here. Happy Chulo pack.
Double kill. Yeah! Triple kill. Overkill. Spectacular. Kill atrocity. Kill him in charge. Kill catastrophe. Kill apocalypse.
What the fuck, 6?
No, there's more.
Killionaire.